In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using HubSpot for your real estate business. Setting up this powerful CRM tool will help streamline your operations, manage client relationships, and ultimately close more deals. Let's dive right in. To get started, head over to the HubSpot website and sign up for a free CRM account. The registration process is straightforward and will take only a few moments. Once your account is active, it's time to tailor the CRM to your specific real estate needs. You'll want to create custom properties within the CRM that allow you to track various elements such as properties, deals, and appointments, all in a manner that suits your business model. Next, it's important to bring your current contacts into the system. You can either import them from an existing database or, if it's more manageable, add them manually one by one. With your contacts in place, the next step is to create sales pipelines. This will help you visualize and manage different stages of your sales process, from initial lead nurturing to offer acceptance, and finally closing the deal. Don't forget to integrate your email account within HubSpot. By doing so, you'll be able to manage all your communications directly from the CRM, ensuring a seamless flow of information. If you have a team, invite them to join your HubSpot account. This way, you can collaborate and keep everyone on the same page. Now that you have your CRM set up, let's utilize HubSpot's features specifically for real estate. The first aspect to consider is contact management. With HubSpot, you can track all leads, clients, and prospects in one place. This helps in organizing by various criteria, allowing you to stay on top of your interactions. When it comes to deal management, HubSpot lets you oversee your real estate deals by tracking their progress, the contacts associated with each deal, and their important dates. Property tracking is another valuable feature. You can keep detailed records of the properties you're working with, from the address and price to special features and images. Email marketing is crucial in real estate, and with HubSpot's tools, you can nurture leads, send property updates, and promote your services effectively. Automation will save you time on repetitive tasks like follow-up emails and appointment reminders, ensuring consistent communication with your clients. Additionally, HubSpot's reporting tools allow you to analyze your sales performance and track key metrics to identify areas for improvement. Keep an eye on these reports to better understand your data and drive business decisions that are informed and strategic. For best practices, always utilize pipelines to efficiently track deals. Personalize your communications by segmenting contacts and tailoring your messages to different buyer groups. Take advantage of integration, connecting HubSpot with platforms like your website and social media for a smoother workflow. Regularly analyze your data to uncover insights and enhance decision-making. Finally, make the most of the HubSpot community. Engaging with fellow real estate professionals can provide you with valuable tips, support, and industry best practices. I hope this guide helps you take full advantage of HubSpot to enhance your real estate business.